The last category is Group G. It's our do-it-yourself games. It's basically the games that you use to make your own games, either totally free or you use our platform YOLI Create to guide you through it. On the platform you can also download many of our games. You just download the images you want, pick the game on the platform, and then the pre-coded tiles will know which game you are playing. You just have to be very careful on what images do you put on what tiles. Let me show you a bit how the pre-coded works. For example, I can see in this game box where it's different groups. I have the yellow group and the blue group. All the yellow groups tiles work together. If I put a blue group with a yellow group, they'll be rejected. So when I download the game from the platform, I know which tile to put which sticker on, and when I pick the game to be played in the YOLI app, the right audio file would be played. And the same is the case with the order games. Here you just have the numbers, so you have to be even more careful when you download the game, but you'll be guided through the whole process. The good thing about this is it's only one box that you can use to play many YOLI games, or you can make your own. And exactly the same you do when it has something to do with the quiz games. You just have the character, the player 1, player 2, and player 3. You have the answer options on the back side. You have downloaded the game. You can get the questions or question answers repeated. And depending on what question and what answer options you pick in the platform and you have uploaded to the platform, that's how the game will play. Last, you can of course put stickers on the back side, and that's a good idea to do. That is to hide the code sequence so the children can't cheat. And trust me, if the children can cheat, they do it. Thank you.